Dear friends, please hear my message before it's too late for me. There are influences in this world too strong to resist, you see. My time here left is short, but the world just has to know that my actions are not my own. I'm controlled by a deadly foe. Hush now, for you are mine, and there is nothing you can do. We have work, my friend, so let's start by making everything new. Change your web. Of course, my master. Remove the circles, make it thin. And so I must destroy my home and make a special one for him. Now make me dinner. And here it ends, for I am powerless to fight back. You've served your purpose, faithful servant. Now I can transform. Thanks for the snack.